Klover points are earned through activity inside the Klover app, and your points balance can affect what features become available to you, based on Klover's current eligibility system. By the end, you'll know how Klover points work, what actions can help you build your points balance, and what to check if your available options do not change. The first thing to understand is that Klover points are connected to your activity in the app. Points are not the same as cash, and earning more points does not automatically guarantee a specific advance amount or feature. Your account eligibility can depend on multiple factors. The easiest way to improve your points balance is to use the earning options available inside Klover. Open the app and review the points section to see which activities are currently available for your account. Different users may see different options depending on their account details. Another step is keeping your account information complete and accurate. Klover may use information connected to your account when determining available features. If your information is outdated, review your profile and connected account settings. Your usage pattern also matters. Regularly checking the app helps you see new earning opportunities, updates, or changes to your available options. If your points are not increasing, look inside the app for any unfinished tasks or requirements that may be preventing progress. Avoid relying on shortcuts or expecting instant increases. Point systems are designed around ongoing activity, so a single action may not create a major change in your account. Building a consistent pattern gives you a clearer view of how the system responds. If your goal is to access more features through Klover, start by opening the app and checking your current points balance. Review the available ways to earn points, complete the options that fit your account, and keep your profile information updated. The main points are simple. First, Klover points come from activity within the app. Second, your points balance is only one part of how account options are determined. Third, consistent account management gives you the best chance of seeing available opportunities. Your next step is to check the Klover app today, review your points section, and complete any available earning activities. If this guide helped you understand how Klover points work, subscribe for more app fixes and money management guides.